Hey, podcaster, want to know a secret? Ben, Liam and Belle are planning a super special Christmas-themed off-air podcast, and we want you to get involved. Got a cracking Christmas story or just want to shout out to your loved ones? Send a voice recording or message to blb@novaentertainment.com.au for a chance to be featured in our Christmas special podcast.
Merry Christmas from Ben, Liam and Belle.
It's our off-air pod show. It's our off-air pod show. It's our off-air pod show. It's our off-air pod show.
Yeah, g'day. Hello there, podcasters. Liam here. No ailments for me, no business. Tidbit. Bought my Kris Kringle present today.
Whoa.
Yep.
What was your price range again?
Yep, 25 to 50.
Oh, was it?
I don't know. I don't make the rules.
You did. You literally did.
It was, and I will have you
sorry.
know, $50, and I've got the receipt,
Nice.
so I can prove.
Is that?
it,
Do we have to
actually.
do that? Do we have to bring the receipt to prove it?
No.
But I do have the receipt. Just so you
Oh,
know.
well, I'll be doing that.
If the
too, 'cause
person
I
wants
feel
to
left
ask
out.
for the receipt at the time, I can provide that.
Is it a gift receipt or is it?
Well, no, it has the amount, and I'm sure you can exchange the gift if the gift is not right for you. But perhaps
no
it would
exchange.
need the card. So potentially, I would have to escort the person with the card to. It would be a hassle. So hoping the person enjoys the thing that was bought for them. I'm pretty sure that was my price range. That's
Yeah,
what I
no,
wrote
I'm
down.
so
They
sorry.
might-
It just seemed
they
like
might
a-
have given away the whole. Yeah.
No,
Now
because
we know what it is.
No, it's more
No,
like
everyone knows
that
each other's
seemed like a
price
bigger
range,
price
I think.
range than mine's 60 to 70, so 25 to 50 seemed a bit bigger.
Okay, was it 25 to 55?
You had 45 to 50.
Oh, was it?
We had the same one, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
good.
I'm glad I went 50. then.
Imagine if you went 25. You just had to buy another one if you went 25.
Fair enough. Yeah, to be honest, I lost the two pieces of paper, so I was sort of going off memory. I swear I put them in my pocket, and then I don't
Well,
know.
as Ben says, we just like to vibe it sometimes.
Yeah.
just vibe it. Yeah, and I'm starting to do some research on my Christmas platter.
So excited. Yeah,
so
that's good.
There's some pretty exciting stuff that's going to be on there. That's all I'm saying. If I can be asked buying it. Ben.
Present, no ailments. I got two quick tidbits. First one, I've also bought my KK present.
That's
Wonderful.
really good.
This doesn't give it away at all, but the person was very easy to buy for, which made it nice.
Oh, that's cool.
That's easy.
But I'm excited for them to get it. I'm excited to see them.
I thought
open
my
it.
person was pretty easy as well.
Mm.
Maybe that's just a sign of how well we
Yeah, that's
intimately
what
know
I'm
each
saying.
other.
You are good
Yeah.
gift givers, I will say, you two.
Oh, thank you. I once got Liam a Jetstar
And
model
Belle.
plane.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a shit gift. That was
but it was
like
also-
a worst
yeah, it was,
example.
Ben's not.
Do not
I'm a good
hang
gift
your
giver.
hat on the
yeah,
L's.
because
Yeah.
the gift that I got Liam was a funny gift. He's like, oh, haha, that's
was-
a shit gift.
it
It's
was funny.
funny.
Yeah,
brought us together.
Ben got me like many shit gifts for my birthday every year, and then he got me a lightsaber.
The
which
lightsaber
actually
was the
quite
good one.
He sort of made up for all the bad.
and you were supposed to
Yeah.
get me one like 2 years ago, and then
Never
you said you didn't last year and you apologised.
That's
coming?
true.
It's
The
supposed to be
wedding.
one this year.
Yeah, big Euro trip at the end of the
thought
year.
it was
So were you waiting for it? Were you sort of like,
I loop in the back of my head. I hadn't like manifested it, but in the back of my head, I was like, oh, maybe you'll get me a
Liam's
lightsaber.
got a lot of overseas trips coming up in the next year. So
yeah.
that
They're all,
lightsaber.
they're all on points. He's got the cash. He's liquid.
Yeah.
I thought maybe with the Jarrah sponsorship money, maybe there might have been a lightsaber
That
coming
coffee
on.
money. Yeah.
I've burnt through
Yeah.
that. I've burnt
Maybe
through
the
that.
salary from today extra. No.
That is a free gig.
That's exposure. That's
just
paid in
that's
exposure.
pure. That's just funneling people into the podcast.
Today,
And it's
extra
working. Do you
Isn't
know that?
oozing with money.
It's actually not, Jax.
No, I had a meeting today with my boss. And
Well-
they said we're up on podcasting.
Okay, good. I don't think that's anything to do with me being on today extra, but
I
that's
wanted
nice.
to make it.
That's good though. That's good.
That
The
was going to
numbers
be
are
the
up.
bit,
Oh, right.
and I was going to give you all the credit for it.
Yeah,
and
no,
no
you
one
said
else.
I'll take it.
Are we up in like unique listens, or are we up in like the same people listening to more episodes?
Unix.
Cool.
Because
Well,
we
welcome.
actually put out less. We're not
Teena,
buckshotting podcasts
She did the
now.
cough thing.
Thank you. I used the cough button.
No, yell
Your
at
mics
Professional.
still do pick it up. You gotta
Where
still
do
be
you want me to
quiet.
go to cough?
You gotta like internally cough.
Leave the building.
I can't internally cough. I'm so sorry.
Have you ever seen me sneeze on air? It's a real like you hold down cough, but you also just go.
I had to quietly
be
sneeze
a
at
sneeze
Pilates the
button.
other day, and it was horrific. Oh, can't.
I don't mind if you cough, Teena. I just like to yell.
I know.
Anyway, sorry to interrupt.
That's nice that the podcast numbers have gone up. My second quick tidbit is I'm an episode and a half deep into
Day
of the Jackal. I lost my Binge login, and for ages I couldn't get in, but I finally figured it out. I'm in. All the best shows at the moment are on Binge.
What was the
There's
password
so
again?
many things on there, Colin from accounts.
Yeah.
Day of the Jackal. There was
Penguin.
Penguins on there. There was a fourth one. I was like, this
Started
is where all
watching
the
it.
good shows are.
Yeah, like the
Sex and
Penguin.
the City.
Well, it just started.
I'm not watching
Yeah.
that one. But
What
You a
is
Game
a
of Thrones
classic?
man?
no, I want to watch it, but it's one of those ones
Neither
Sam doesn't
do I,
want.
but
It's so hard to
it's on
find
there.
6 seasons worth of time. But Day
Well,
of the
it's all the
Jackal.
HBO stuff. It's like all the
that's what I
big.
was saying, yeah.
Day
Yeah.
of the Jackal, outstanding show. Like really
Yeah,
good.
I'm so
thoroughly.
glad. I'm so
I'm
glad.
hooked. I'm like, oh, I want to watch.
Do you know the
next
shitty
episode.
thing is though? They dropped 5 episodes and now they're going to drip feed them
Yeah, I know, I hate-
until
oh,
like
yeah.
well into Christmas.
So I could catch you guys.
Oh,
Oh
easily,
yeah, absolutely. Now, yeah.
Sorry,
So
yeah.
I've actually decided now that I won't watch it until the plane. I'll try and save it up, and then I'll have 5 episodes to watch. On
Smart.
my-
I won't do that.
yeah.
That's-
Well,
that's stupid.
I might not be able to hold my. Yeah. Like
What I would say about Day of the Jackal is I think the actual show is amazing. I really like it. I'm not fully sold that Fantastic Beasts guy is it Eddie Redmayne?
Yeah.
I'm not fully sold that he's the right
nah.
person for the
Well,
role.
you know what?
but I still
Oscar
like
winner.
it.
I kind of
yeah.
liked how it's like he's unsuspecting.
Yeah.
So, and what I will say
Normal guy.
is this is a recommendation for everyone in the room, but now that you're on to Binge and you realise there's lots of good stuff on there, if you enjoyed Day of the Jackal, Mr. In Between.
No, that's the other. That was the fourth one because
Yeah.
Sam really wants to watch
Dude,
it.
Mr. In
I
Between
thought you'd seen it.
is
No, I started watching it. No,
goated.
I-
It is so
Yeah.
good.
I
Yeah.
started watching it. We were half an episode in. Then Sam didn't get it. She was like, "What's going on?" She didn't get it. And then someone like a week ago told her
Like
it was
Sarah,
really good. I
maybe?
think it might have been Sarah.
Sarah loves
And then
it.
now Sam's like, "We got to watch it." I'm like, "I wanted to watch that ages ago, but we will watch it."
Well, and that is another great example of unsuspecting. Like he is a hitman, but he's not.
He looks pretty dodgy.
Yeah, he looks dodgy and menacing, but he's not like Jason Statham. Like he's like skinny and
He's not
kind
going to
of.
start a fight.
Yeah,
He'll be like,
He'll end
and
the fight, though.
you've watched it,
what?
Mr. In Between.
No.
Oh right.
I'm going to come about Jackal. Sorry, I got distracted.
No, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Well,
there was
Mr.
some
Mr. In
noise
Between
being
is
made. Noises being made.
Australian.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a Teena fart earlier.
It was
Yeah.
my stomach.
Was that?
Yeah, it was my stomach.
Yeah, sorry. We let you. We press on.
I did not fart.
Well,
Just to really
I
clarify.
thought I heard Teena
it-
fart.
No, we're not having this
Teena,
happen.
Teena, you also have to fart internally. Do you ever hear me farting on air? No.
Be a good prank,
No.
though.
I fart out my mouth like I just open my mouth and release the
Well,
gas.
if you-
That's called a burp.
If you do hold on long enough, then yes, your fart will come out through your breath.
Do you know
just
if
not
you
right.
hold on long
I
enough, you
don't
can
think that's
also.
a thing.
Dr. Carl said it is, so yeah,
What
it
do
is.
what do you mean?
If you have to try and hold in a fart, it's something ridiculous like 6 hours or a day or some shit.
Being a-
Then your body will release all that gas and
Like
shit
as a burp
through
or
your just through your breath.
Ew.
Yeah.
What about through your pores? Ben's binging it, by the way.
Don't
Yeah.
bing it.
Oh, Bing.
Do you remember there was a really early product placement in early Gossip Girl? They were clearly sponsored by.
Oh,
Microsoft.
yeah.
Do you know if
Yeah.
I
you
would say
if you
bing it.
don't poo long enough, you can vomit fecal matter?
Yes, it's called fecal vomit.
You can also die.
I just double check that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah,
also
I got
die.
told that in school because I refused to shit on camp. And then the teacher pulled me aside and said,
You know
need to
you'll shit
that-
out of your mouth
No,
if you don't
she,
get poo on
yeah,
camp.
she was like, you
Episode
know
of
that,
South Park on
like,
that.
you need, like, we have to take you to the drop toilet and you're gonna have to shit because otherwise you're gonna vomit.
Oh, in a drop toilet, that's horrific.
I think you'd be
why
alright.
would
I think
I
you'd be
go?
alright
Why did you
for
say
4
that, King
days. I
Lake?
don't think it's yeah.
Can I say I quickly Bing does a fart come out your mouth, Dr. Carl, and I'm in the videos section, and the top videos from that Google or from that Bing are, can smelling your farts improve your health? Question mark.
There's currently something out on the CSIRO about how they want you to document your farts and send it to them.
Right. And there's another. The second one is what your farts say about you.
It's like a BuzzFeed list, is it?
It's so
Top 10
big.
things your farts say about you. Or what about how you fart determines what Hogwarts house you're in? That seems like this kind of ilk, isn't it?
That's Hufflepuff.
It's like the sorting underwear.
Real Ravenclaw over there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Slytherin!
Huffle fluff.
Very good.
Pretty good.
Thanks.
Bell.
A present. Hello. No ailments. No business. No tidbits because we're running very tight
Oh
for
yeah, we are.
time.
So we are. Bin.
ailment, just my finger.
Yep.
As always, no real serious business.
Fair enough. Teena.
Yo, no ailments. My tidbits
Apart
too.
from that rotten guts you got.
Two tidbits. Did not fart. Just leave me. I'm gonna far out.
A lot of denying.
Second tidbit, haven't got my KK present. Quite stressed. Still having nightmares. I'm a terrible gift giver, so everyone knows this now in advance. If you
Same,
get a bad
Teena.
gift.
I'm a big
It's a
proponent.
lot of pressure.
Like, I'm a big believer
No one buy
in,
Teena baked beans.
No, actually don't. I'll throw them in your face.
The way you looked at me when you said that. I'm a big believer in the theory that if you don't know what to get someone as a gift, you don't know them well enough to get them a gift in the first place.
No,
However,
some
this
people
is Chris
just shit
Kringle.
at gifts.
No, but you should know someone. If you know someone well
Yeah.
enough, you should know what to get them for a gift. You should
I've
know
got
what they
my
like.
one something already, but it wasn't easy.
Yours was
Being
tough because
0
yours
to
was 0 to
5.
5, yeah.
Mine's
Quite difficult.
mine's en route. Because I got mine off the internet. Because
Oh,
new
nice.
wave
Nice. Scudman is busy chopping up a scot.
cooking.
Jack.
Present small tidbit. Considering you mentioned Binge, Ben, I bought a Blu-ray of a Netflix series, which
Whoa.
seems
Why?
because I wanted to own it. Because one day, I haven't had Netflix for 2 years, and I've recently signed back up. Sometimes I just like owning my stuff. Yeah.
How is that even? I mean, they seem like different eras. Like, I know Netflix was around as a DVD service before. It's been around for a long time, but I'm like, just the idea of Netflix and Blu-ray just seem
What
in
is
different generations. you know?
Arcane. But it didn't get released until like 3 years after because this season 2 has just come out, and I bought season 1.
You loved it, didn't you? You thought it was great.
I cannot get over how good it is. I'm caught up on season 2. The last 3 episodes of all time get released on Saturday,
Father's Day.
Saturday, day before Father's Day. So I'm. If anyone wants to watch a good show, watch Arcane. It's one of the best shows I've ever seen.
It's on Netflix. You wouldn't like it, Liam.
No, I don't
wouldn't
think
like
you
it.
would like it
Like
because it's
League of
animated.
League of Legends.
As in, like,
I just know.
Like
I know you well enough
anime?
that I'd put my house on you. Wouldn't
It's
like
not technically anime. It's Arcane, the word.
it. Dude, you're not going to like it. I'm telling you now.
While Liam's doing that,
That's not got a real life version of a superhero from a comic book in it. Absolutely not.
not for me.
was there any?
We told you.
You did.
Was there any?
I thought we were going to do, Belle, to answer your question that I'm assuming, is there any business?
For the Christmas pod.
I thought we were going to, because we sorted out food yesterday.
Yep.
Can't wait to bring my Shapes Megazord bowl. Are we sorting out drinks?
We were, but Belle's addressed that we're running out of time, which we are, so we can do it tomorrow. There's no rush on it.
Okay.
So I think we do it tomorrow.
Is it
what if I
going
need to buy
to? Are we going to just? Okay. Why don't we get a little bit of a tease then? Is it going to be each person has to bring a different drink?
No.
Okay.
Is there? What's
You
the?
can be told tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah,
There'll be
what if-
one
can you
person
give
in
us
this
a little-
team that will bring drinks.
Do we trust him?
That's the tease I was looking
Maybe
for.
2.
Is it me?
Oh, yeah.
Is it like a
Because-
car?
Yes, actually, good point.
Because if it's me, I wanna know.
Yeah, 2. Okay.
Oh, this is exciting now.
I like that. Yeah.
Do the people know that it's them?
The new person doesn't know it's them
No,
yet.
but I'll tell them tomorrow.
Yeah.
I swear to God, if I've got to bring food and drink, I'm
no,
gonna
no,
die.
This is trying to
And a $100
make
present.
And I'm honestly, I'm not gonna.
This is making that even. So just bet. Like my
Cool,
brain,
cool,
Ben
cool,
has
cool,
understood
cool.
exactly what I needed to say then, and that's fine. Just
Great.
trust that we are not going to send you into.
Is
a
it
further
Scudder?
debt.
In a very timely fashion, Scudder has come in to
Hey,
the
Scud.
OAP.
Any business or
Present.
anything? Or
Any ailments?
Nah, just here for a good time.
rock and
All
roll.
right,
man.
well, we're about to wrap up.
Okay.
Hey, also, we also have a new end to the podcast for like that is to new imaging for our show. So it's a lot easier to know when the podcast is finished.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So that was on yesterday.
Just for Jack's mum.
Yeah.
So she knows when it's ended.
So mum knows when it's
Play-
ended.
Can we play it now, or it's just it'll play on it? The listeners
Would it be in the system, Scud?
No. No, it's
I added on in post.
I'll have to have a listen in the car on the way home.
Never listen in the car.
Yeah, and don't just scroll to the end if you want to do that. Listen to the whole thing.
How much do you need to listen to for it to count as a listen?
I don't know. I should know that.
Can we find out how much that is? Then we get all the dedicated podcasters, like, we mobilise the few.
Actually,
Why not?
Scud, my audio. My audio.
yeah.
Sorry. One little bit to flag. I know we do have to
Eternally
rush and we've
reserved.
got to get to the show very soon. But yeah, no, very, very disappointing. Obviously, recently I flagged that there was a listener who pitched Sensational Sandwiches, a skit on Triple J. Would have been around 2018. Fell through the cracks. Never got his prize back. And disturbingly, I got a Snapchat from my friend Michael Sharp. Yeah, Teena,
Sharpie.
I'm looking at you.
Tina knows already.
I'm looking at you, and he's not too happy. Have a listen.
Hey mate, just listening to the off-air pod. and heard your story about Will Paxton not getting his prize pack back in 2018. It's a common occurrence. Still waiting for my fedora after my Team Member of the Week call-up. Sat through and voted and chose my prize. Still waiting for my fedora. Let me know. Thanks, mate.
Guys, we can't have this reputation as a show that doesn't deliver prizes.
Yeah, I think so. Because it's just sort of like these are the people that care the most. They listen. They literally like.
What was the name? Harry.
No.
Michael Sharp.
Michael
Sharp.
Michael.
I call
him 48 hours. I'll be talking to you.
Do you know what's
I'm
so
seeing him in
funny?
a couple of weeks, so I can bring him.
Oh, much easier.
Yeah.
I quite literally have an email to myself that says, must get Michael Sharp's fedora.
that email work?
I see it every day. It's colour-coded in my
Tina, you've emailed yourself. You need to email him.
We need to post him a fedora.
That was
Don't
like
email
12,
yourself.
That was like 12 months ago we were doing the fedora.
I don't even know if I was on the same possibly when this has happened, but I've just inherited it. Either way, Andy was meant to show me where the fedoras are. I still don't know where
Andy's
they are.
fault. Oh,
They're in the
passing the
cage.
buck. That is a
We all
fist on
know.
pigskin. That
We
is
all
a
know
handle.
how much Tina uses her emails. She's often not here because she's checking her emails.
Yeah.
Are you just sitting
She's
at
just
there
staring
when
at
you're
it.
not at the off-air pod? Are you staring at the computer, reading your email to get Harry Sharp? Who's Harry?
Michael Sharp.
Paul never got his name wrong about 8 times.
No, but his
Okay,
name's
twice.
Harry to me now. That's canon. Because
Anyway.
when we're talking about eventually in maybe 3 years, when we're doing a podcast where it's just listing names.
Look, it's good there's a
Harry
solution.
Sharp.
It's good that you're sorting it. I appreciate that.
Yep. And so look, and guys, if there is any disgruntled listeners
Just
out
come
there,
straight to me.
okay.
Or send us a
Yep.
Snapchat.
You know, we've got the email. The email's open.
BLB.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one actually.
Speaking of the fedoras, though, there's like still 20 or more in the
Don't
cage.
say that if you don't know for sure.
No, there's heaps.
Let's
There's-
not
When was the
make
last time you were in the
heaps.
cage?
In all data, it says that we got minus.
There's so many.
But are you
But
sure?
are there?
I am sure.
I went to the cage recently and
We
I didn't see
them.
any.
I went, I would have been a month ago.
Tina was in the cage today.
I literally was.
I think we need to give a little bit more insight into the cage. We keep just talking about this cage, and people must be
It's
like,
where all
Mark
the
Cage.
it's where all the stuff is kept. It's called the cage for some reason.
I feel like people could
cage.
get that via context.
Yeah.
But yeah, the cage.
Because it's literally a cage.
I wouldn't promise any fedoras till we do a stock
door.
count.
Also, at Christmas parties, we send 2 employees in there and they have to fight. And
I trust Bell. We've got
did
fedoras
not
coming out of our ass. We're giving them away tomorrow.
Or kiss.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Let's be better. Let's be better with the prizes.
Yeah, I agree.
But I appreciate Liam bringing this to the forefront.
Thanks, guys. And it's really taking it out of me.
People's
So can we
chant.
can we
It really
please
shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Emails
all be
open.
better?
Complain to me.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that email again is blb@novaentertainment.com.au.
And address it to Tina.
First time
No,
we've had an email.
Ben.
It's very exciting. Yep.
Ben
Address
wants
them
to
to
deal
Ben.
with this.
Yeah.
And this is Ben's
Always
huge
me. Just
problem.
come to me.
Yeah.
I'll deal
Because
with it.
it's
And I've
no one
got
else
2
can do
vibes
anything
on that.
than
Either
you.
Ben will genuinely get the prize to you, or he's going to fully ignore it. I don't know. I can't quite
I
tell.
won't ignore it.
Okay, he won't ignore
But
it.
he might not get you a prize. It could be
I will
both.
get you a prize if you email.
Okay, great.
Time? Any
Well,
like...
you had to
Not
have
just
won a
anyone.
prize.
Yeah, sorry.
You had to
can't
have
just
won a
ask for
prize.
Yeah, you have
And
to.
we
You
will
know,
write.
email and
prize?
ask for a prize. You know, I've got fedoras.
Hey, Ben, can I
No,
have a
we
prize?
don't.
And I'll also go
Yes,
out on
you
a
can.
limb now and say that we will write a bespoke message to everybody
Correct.
who gets a
used
prize. We used
Remember,
to,
I
yeah.
used to, whenever anyone won a prize pack, I would make you guys, I'd bring like the stubby holder and make you sign it.
Yeah.
And then one time a girl said, "Can I Belle sign it?" And I almost cried.
And we said no.
She doesn't have a signature yet. She's
More of
too
an
young.
us thing.
Yeah. You'll get on the list if you have that signature.
See you, podcast. Bye.
And that's it!
Liked that podcast? There's heaps more to listen to if you just scroll back or download the Nova Player app.
Ben, Liam, and Bell.